Coastal TV mobibia akwaba esansu mobibia aha ebaye ewia donko kasebo eso ye channel no 514 digital sanso na ohwehwe wo Facebook ene YouTube so a obehu ye ewo ho bomode ase obekọ ho na onsa beka kasebo no efiti na hyase kwapem na wie ni nyina no obenya bi ewo ho ye fa asedama yabo afa asoyasen National Petroleum Authority Patmo Print Diesel Gift Shop and Nesto Venture Samsung and the Taste Catering Services and so abo ye chidom ewo ho na kaseboy mi amidi ho chairman so no midi AFIBA ESSIEN ewie ensama obete no ebi ene se Anglican Church etia ewo mfimfim mantem abomodin the Good Shepherd at 100 years old. Yedimu amane bono yede ba beso etiefo. Sanso ena yebebo hwi ne yakọ Environmental Protection Authority akache EPA. Na Director odi anim no any Coastal TV atwetwe enkomo na ochiem say ba say human encroachment bibi ano so ha dwen pa ema impo flood numpo ekoso ewo mfimfim mantem ene Ghana ha nyina. Sanso na yebetu anamo na yakọ Center for National Culture CNC omalanche Studio Fest at 2026 yedimu amanebo ebebrem Maka ni sana na mesrese afi ubeji ekunya na wetie kaseboi ninchemu ankasa yede ebro ye hyase na ye hyase afi Anglican Cape Coast Diocese Anglican no Cape Coast Diocese na empayfo asofo ekukudam ni bishop abomode edi Good Shepherd at 100 if it mra Good Shepherd assembly no omode eba Cape Coast no edi infisha mako oha 100 years old achasem pay for edi nemagu akwam se omobe celebrate sa edey na omakai sorry baby free babeju ene omadi 100 years old no na ebra open pa bishop Emma Cape Coast Diocese no Right Reverend Victor Reginald ata bafo okasa no and show me say asori mani nyina obi amomodin say ne also obi aye ama asori ni di ekwa chi de obi amomodin na onye na from there sanso and odi ensem bi ekoma emabu ni say obi amomodin na efe ni say suban papa yi omuna no edi nema bi a omoya mo mabrabo nubonenom kronosem ene na ika ho bia na emmo mabrabo no make sure so mbe ni na efi o makwan mu na fei omoda suban papa edi ewo mabrabo
oha onye azika kroba oyegesem na ezika funa yibi echima odehe so yehu zawaye ni edanyame aso ho na wa hyen nkran da ihe so yebe den na yetum ya to adwuma pa sofo kobayale na nimpanyimfo obem krum ha wo hyase wozi ono ena osi hyen nyodo afi ni nara this was here mean some kind of sermon no this honoring the past, celebrating the present, reimagining the future. CCRA man, Ghana man, man, youth no oyezan ejumasam school sam abrabo ma oyezan asor yene dwumezi onyeden de eraze we shran de yemboa ni di dwumo today iti go see na nyodo kese yemrentie no youth no de nkone bia yebo fado na ya ma woni nyamesum ezimu na wetintim na basabasa ye insanom winom abrabobonon fata nyinara no ewudzi awaba na mo kan meyati no ye haw nzono no siyen nyodo shepherd fu wonu dwuma titu de was it asori matitu mrentie ne nketesia no obotwo na ba asori mu na dwuma wezi no wetumezi nyamesom onto the brother and gaze onto the pan on the cheese oyezan enkintina erintum aworodo aprawa kumem na za obaka fo ho ahoro ba hye na nketesia wujizinti sebioto empede beye ebobo brabon enso wiaze sika seminaze na sebio woroton wono ho dwuma onfata na mbanyimfo no woreyeza ewudi semina sakawa na moka ho nyinara onye pe nyamesum yezan no ho na ode yemnya he ho there's 100 years ye care na yemnya he ho yenje razinzi yefa ye renshe razim wachi enso mbui na anye de yebehu ewraze yebeka hen bible ya bo hen mpe ya sre nyame sunsun konkon do onkenya hen hen ahoze yentum hen nyansa yentum onu na mpere mehye mambani na nkran imrense ne nkete se de mamo onhwe nsu ne nchenchen ai na woruntum no mu nsu da wonhwe ewraze na nyame a otum azi nara ye no obehira hon
and Right Reverend Victor Reginald Ata Bafo Okaye Eche Omanfo Momoko Nasori ni Omomonko Nasori Enyina na National Master Shepherd eye Madam Dora Aba Akwa enso ede aseda ene nkranhensem bebre ekoma asori no empanyinfo etiche esan adwuma kese a omaye ama asori no etime nwini ababedu sam pempenso yi oda wo mase owie no ena osanso de afutusem ekoma emagunu no
100 years bebe mejine cathedral ye sofo na ha no feel too the first time I 100 years na nyame adumara was spread the whole world. Baby a shepherd over. Since this time is my brother was wearing Thomas national presidency. We should bring the youth to put them back on one in chair. I'm a future in Kune Genei. Tenina Yaran paying fee. Yana Pabona Yam was on the bar. In Coranda Bohuyana one answer Hena Queen. I'm a Kune Jan Tampad after some paper. And Yan shepherd members the poor bats and your day. Woman is showing a man and saying, "Ban one yam is true." Woman can ban and bring henchan. If you're born with a cool one, since you are Jenna, Sikasam with Fiona, some people. Into say, set example, Bayama Hana, or bearing Jana Bada uncle. Woman, you know when I'm soon, you know when I'm soon, for Yamena Samna, you better some of them to a fan. Shop Nazi were bought on money in a ponto. No one in church was a barber, some hanging out to the Kanka Hanagan Casomano, shepherd and they is 100 years. Yana butchered a bush chas softful, they are painful. The song I'm the Naman way upon my hand. On my hand, be known yet, but on money be more yet. Then your foot donning and so for your queen, and make queer for net some paper.
When yina HSS or mine bakonanim adwumakuo bi ebekɔso sa asɔre be ye ananso pe efie ebegyina na HSS emabunu no ewo asɛdeɛ pa ewo sɛ omonso eye emasa mpuntuo anase nkwanim no eno nso eba sa entina regional master shepherd a ono eye brother Robert Morgan Mensa ono nso edi na futuo edi ma emabunu no na ɔka kyerɛ omonso omomoden na bibia asɔre no eye no omonfo omohunjim
I am the Master Shepherd Robert Morgan Mensa. The founder of the Guild of the Robert. And I'm also Robert beginning Robert Centenary. I am assessing what to win on Nanka Sabiwa or Fuku because no one in Central maintaining the Jessiam or the one Shema, Wosuban, I am mobile. But the children will do baby, you wouldn't know. If they were painful, when you walk up, it's when you be one fine, so one name. Or China Kunu, when two wings, you know, Nessa Swinty in Oma, or begin the watching of Rentian and Catesia was the book. 90 then Juma was in where's Abua in my young Sudan. You ever come, Mamma Bay, 34 years ago. I'm not telling me very young guy, and I'm also at Gassens College. Let's Christian Albert Mention, at the side I had mistress. On an abbredo now, Ojimu, Guild of the Good Shepherd, 1994. No Mushakra. It's no, and I have now. wa hwa kwan bi da obotian wo bronyisi tactfully no mo be ya yo fe bufu yo fe nje iku no na ya asane ya ba nti ohia pa de e ba ma meti na nkete se no wa ba ku no ma ku no we nyadachi se yen ya ye kekre na se mbiri bi na ye ntumi amba ya nye bi butu wa me hye na na ma ahwa na ku no na ne daachi wa ba ho nti the masam no pen is me ya agene papa we need more youth in the guild of the good shepherd for future generation and for sustainable development. Ma yepede yizi oye eden yepede yesi ga share won ma o she ku na si enyimnyam na ebimu so obotue da wa won so wa kan nti no ya titose obi bia mpanyimfo umaframo nyame na yese no ye bono do mpa de o ma obi a na adwuma ole ye no onye ni ye na onto nhire ngudu mmon amasabi wonye bi na ye bi so won da ye a bag of cement won famboa na efensi edana waza ho keka enyije ina odo waza aba ma dibezino ewi pe ya menyen.
Wayne ensamne ne eka ho bia ekoso ewo eye Anglican asori a ye friend say good shepherd no ebra na omudi infinhia oha 100 years old. Yetwa ensam no so na ye kwa akogina mu ewo EPA Environmental Protection Authority for Akache Coastal TV anope ye ne eye regional director eye owura Dr. Daniel Nate etwetwen enkomo efa eye human encroachment eho eye brofo kase na mom no regional director Dr. Daniel Nate echeche nsemu edeche etiefo
wade ye de nipa nyame de nipa betu asase so na right from say we draw strength from Genesis nyame bo ade na asase ni nyina eda ho deja nsuo afa ni nyina na nyame hyeye ansa na o man nsuo ekọ bebi a ekọ na asase epie ye ema yenya asase kese so momo eji bible de omonim nyame ken. Now according to science no over 70% of the earth no nsuo nti yemfa ne say 30% other living things including human beings na yawo bebi a nsuo eda ana bebi a nsuo eti eho na ahoa no de ono susu eho no da sepo say fresh water ebi nso ya underground omuni na ne pade ye be just ye cover be 1% of the earth enti say ye ka say nipa encroach say na why no human encroachment ni dia in my view no nature say nipa akotra baby a ensese otra ana se wakoye nia ensese oye ewa asase so nature say wa encroach
Data ekasa wie no na osan ede so say enema bi o ha yankasa nipa yankasa yeye eya ese wetlands no bebre na nsema a okan no ebini.
Number 1 wetland no obi said that say because of urbanization say na obi am person try krabio say oye fo e kra no ne ade obi a person motra nkran Cape Coast, you know, regional capitals near there. In the process, no, say nipa move number 1 obi wo wa baby a wanya na sase no nsuo ewo ho ana oben baby a nsuo esi obi nso ofili okwakoto ahia na wa be fili nsuo no baby odana kosibra sebi wakata nsuo no na kwan ya na baby eti ankasa So the kind of building na yeah, say wetland, say wetlands, no.
Okay.
And even a create huge problems for us. Your buildings na yes na. Say me know baby ayeti is tiled.
Yeah.
And it is tiled, you know. It show cap back on uhwe go tiles is what. But say best as yatre.
Yeah.
Na sanka enye tiles na ye na asase kese a ana ye baby ayaduadua ne ade a egudua ne so a even the speed a e ba from no is reduced.
Yeah.
Ena in rank tinkiti na e dua na ase no so no won say microorganisms ni link agriculture no no.
Okay.
And then farming na ye no ye tie you so friend is pesticides. Okay. So pesticides ekum imwan kitinkiti na wo mo asase no mo wo mo tutu tokuro e wo asase no worms wo mo tutu tokuro eni inwo wo mo tutu tokuro e ko wo eba sibi ebe ya se nsuo kura go asase no so ebe ko no ye the some bad farming practices asai saa niama ne nyina akosa anwa ne nyina akosa amwa ne nyina ndi afibe ho se asase nangasa na da ho no mo no tokuro bi ni ndi nsuo kakra bi ebe gu so no be ho se no susu no ebe move nsuo no nya move saa na ana etre saa na ye hanso na yakosisi dan esi saa wetland yi so ndi na bebi wo wa onim se river bi a wo obehwe no nsuo kakra to a na nam kare kwan no so yagoso kota na fie nyina yagogo so ya yet house na sit down na nam sa into some of the issues aye hu no flats aye hu ne no is linked to your housing, is linked to your agric, the way I farming, and it also linked to the way your disposal your solid waste especially. Okay. Any styrofoam. Oh, mama kind of say polythene bag. Any take away ni sanya mano. And they also say sanya maybe bring one more and then show to a wow who say sisa sanya me nyina e de akọ. Nti your housing ka ho, your agriculture ka ho. Say na yes sanya man the way I disposal with. Na wo de ne nyina kra to nchen a me ho say obi a betra kromu urbanization so obi a sorry person tra kromu coupled with ohia fita e ka ho say wo hwa ade supa flood ye be wo mo ayiri wo mo pa ya hiafo wọ́n sẹ́ òhìẹ́ni náà ní sika nti ọ̀nyá asase kitikiti bi wọ̀ bìbí a nsuo bi tiẹ̀ wetland na wabọ́ n'apata bi wọ̀ na wapia ne ho because ẹ̀họ́ asase no kura ẹ̀yẹ free àná ọbẹ̀ gye òbíbi kakra èdè wọ́n saa nsuo yi ẹ̀ títú ẹ̀ yiri ẹ̀kùm nípe ahìẹ́fọ́ na ẹ̀bẹ̀ wù mbọ̀ ẹ̀fà wọ́n mú kiosk bọ́ọ̀lù oyeni a wabetra krum because of urbanization ye nyina ye betra Cape Coast ye nyina ye betra Cape Coast afi want to me hide that nti wo so pe epoano baabi wakati na wako bona pata bi wo ho no wo ho no mo se insuo nya yiri kakre bi a enam se ye nya edan a yesisi se ne yesi disposal ya waste no mo ne ade a na afa ne dan na afa ne ba na esi street mo nti minu nokre say farming activities nokre say urbanization nokre say agric kwa e fa so ye no saa ne ma ne nyina no affect your wetlands and contribute to floods ye hu ne nei
Weni ensembia eye Dr. Daniel Nate a ono ene ye Regional Director Emma eye Environmental Protection Authority Central Region Odeto Coastal TV eni mebra na oni Omar bin Abdallah etwetwe enkomo eno. Yet was on America was a Casebono a chogu ewo Coastal TV a channel no a 514. Samsung now share on Facebook and answer YouTube so ubenya ewo hobby live. It's bomodian say obe join ye ewo ye social media platforms no eso. Na medewo kwa jinemu ewo Center for National Culture a CNC. Nkrabata and say itia ewo infifi mantem hase. Na say am no kasa de mpay for edi dwumadie kukra. A just omoba be sha say mfifi mantem ase enanu fiade na omo launch ye idea da so student drama festival ye twanitiawa efra se Studra Fest 2026 na ebra Coastal TV na ye ne acting regional director MCNC kasa ora Ebeneza Kofi inti ye ne no ebo nkomo no na wo chemu se eba ne se CNC omedwuma omudi ankasa se omubebo oman no ya mamre ayewo anase ye cultural heritage no ombebo hu dahuro na omubo hu dahuro nso ana se omudi emabunu no ebesi omani so sanse omo ane ye dachi disempeyfo a enim ewosa nimdie eni ho a na emabunu no ena eba besi wo manemu eno nti ena ye botaye kese pa CNC omo eni so enti Studra Fest ebeboa emase ye ka bibi se drama eno edi akotene pa ye creative art sector anase industry no emu nti se ye cheche mofa no kombesi afaso actual drama kombesi afaso aye oyekire meche drama yi na omo acting stage so kwa na ebeboa ama omo confidence ha omo wo drama munumpo no ebekosho ba ne sa no a na CNC edwuma papa na omatimi edi na oka ensemi so eka we hu
national culture. The Jumadi say the arts, the visual and performing arts. The beboa ama the promoting and culture. Inti Jumadi put a partner say you be promoting your culture through the arts. Now art, because performing art, drama, drumming, music, and then performing art. Inti Studra Fest, Studra Fest, a student drama festival. A school for our moye or yetche, and answer or yetche a fashion and a ye. The TN say, yenam drama so an hour yetche so, edisian yama be brave. And ye obiana, obitimacas or ye science. Obi also an energy or creativity beer or walkasa. Ahmodia obitimi ayo yechre obenya that creative mind no we say mitimi de sa talent we ye adwuma e de educating crofo nti no na Center for National Culture e de dwuma de esi ho for second cycle schools secondary schools no omo since omo no zo ankasa no more drama clubs e wo omo ya e brand omo ye drama no mo play no de ye chire education ni aditi eno na Center for National Culture under the auspices of National Commission on Culture e bi esi ho se sa breed e breed ni ye ni ja to ho kakra ya maso nti secondary schools ni e be competition amongst them na said your oye chire honhom the spirit and the creativity in them ewo oye chire mu no ye be boa amana dead said e be ya ye ko ye ni mu ye benya anuano mo obotimi ye oye chire abegidin na nam so ama de omo wo mu no ombeda na di ama ye suade ama de achirade sanso na ebitimi de ana so atu nkrofofo eno nti drama and the competition said that they are in the Oka Studra Fest, they are a student drama festival. I a school for a Afasha ED and I see and then Studra Fest. 10 schools from the central region and you do more shasi. Now you competition and you be the first, and I do be the kind of the national level because all the regions meaning no matter me will be a Gita Accra the minimum so my omudi area that train the champion from all the other regions near Shia October. A honey baby na ya share a school for a yetre a dear sua dear a dear chra wine and a yard pa a hope may be the national winner for students drama na entertainment enye drama no nkasa entertainment nko an dodo na ni say e drama entertainment nko an drama no oye kire no so ye bisua de ye de fa adwen na ye de entertain enti apart from that so it mean poor obi nipa nya confident because say obe backstage no obe kasa no obe ye kire wada da ho no aye side dia ama ye ni age ni asa educate ye ho. It takes people with that creative spirit. Nti we creative at our platform no boama unya the confidence to exhibit your creativity. And nti student drama festival dey a school for nigitum and Ghana nyina so gitum esan say drama is part of our cultural settings. If I say e do free that level to mo ko mani university level no sua na omo major in various aspects of drama, theater and stuff, the confidence in them, the ahoɔden ne ahokeka na ɛwɔ mu na ɔmotimi de yɛ saa ɔyɛ kyerɛ no ebetimi yɛn na yɛboa ana sɛ platform wɔ yɛ de si hɔ na aboa na saa talent na wɔ mu nyina yɛ yi nyina bi ɛno nti ɛyɛ akwanya ɛma yɛ nuanom kuma ɔmo sua secondary school ntoaso school mu a da biara no ɔmo nso wɔ that passion to act no we yɛ akwanya ɛma ɔmo a ɛde boa ɔmo so deɛ di kan ne sɛ ɔho sɛ dodoɔ na primary level there na bebre na no omo nhyɛ da as a control mo nneɛma bi a omo okɔ school no be yɛ doctor be yɛ nti hɔ no as the control but ufiri ss hɔ na academical ss level no hɔ na ufiri hɔ bɛkɔ university a adwene mo be bia mo aba hɔ abɛyɛ adwuma ana akɔ wiase de bibia nti hɔ no na ɛsɛsɛ yɛ boa ɛma deɛ wɔ mu no deɛ ya busu o maame ana papa na busuafo pɛ sɛ woyɛ na mmom de wo mu Onyankopɔn de adua wo mu ɛyɛ saa ɔyɛ kyerɛ honhom na wo saa brɛ no na ɛsɛ pii esan sɛ wo firi hɔ pɛ o kɔ university nso no ɛhɔ na wo kɔ ntoaso school ana sɛ suapɔn mu a hɔ no de wakoma ɛwɔ mu no na ɛsɛ sɛ wo kɔ sua nyɛ de yɛ force wo sɛ kɔyɛ nti yɛn so nim sɛ Ghana no ana sɛ wiase Onyankopɔn bɔ obi no mu obi a kyɛdeɛ of which that acting character no anase suban na away mu etimi de act no you say that time no etimi pii enti even though ye etimi your programs are de boa ema more form the say basic school GSS no almost your cultural festival ye mo ye acting in there but we specifically media you say omo school an omo konto aso na sento aso e wo ho de a na ni esese nipa no ho de ne konto aso school am ekosua na aboa me ade makoma wo de mema ho ɔden wo na kopɔn de adua nti na yɛde saa dwumadi na ɛwɔ secondary school level sɛ de bɛya we nso ne universities ne na yɛ almost bɛkyerɛ yɛn the opportunities that is there for them ɛwɔ university level nti saa nti na yɛde saa dwumadi yɛ si hɔ ama that level of students no nyame yɛ adom September yɛ bosome nkron ne mu so last week or second week in date in Baba, but September, bosome nkron no no, and I did jumadi in BCO competition in Baba school for in Baba competition. Do be the first no, it didn't be and I say October mono, the beko and kind. Na national level so yakwa competition. You would say they produce the quality and the creative, actors are you don't at the national level, so about the central region. And for National Commission on Culture, a binary what they say or the project was the Black Star Experience as a Chinese say, young as of mine, young culture, and I say a member, and in your my diet son, and no, and it's a say your bohu de will share if you are seeing and young quite to me. Tina de biano ni aton sa afre mo isan se yem botaye ana se dwuma de ahye ensa no ya hye ense enye enkon edi isan se ase enkon ye de ana se aso kane ane de ahye epon ase no media no crofo bibirehwe all level of people nkwada ahwe mpenfo ni anyina enti ye ya de botaye ne se ebekọ ne crofo so hu dwuma yi di no mo so do mo ho ahyem e bi eso mo do mo hyem so mo do mo hyem na ne nyinaa mu ne sɛ ɔman a ɔmfa anaasɛ ɔmma n'ani so ade hu no nkɔ amammerɛ ne amanneɛ mu no saa ɔman no ebi develop akɔduru baabi nso duru baabi yɛbɛpem ɛno nti saa dwumadie nyinaa bosome biara yɛwɔ dwuma a yɛdi bosome biara mu yɛwɔ dwuma a yɛdi as part of the Black Star experience a yɛn portion the National Commission on Culture yɛyɛ a CNCs no na yɛ implementing agency no yɛyɛ no bosome biara yɛwɔ dwuma a yɛdi ɛno nti na wohwɛ mmerɛ kakra yi mu a yɛayɛ nneɛma bebree a nso yɛto nsa frɛ mu ɛsiane sɛ you are a key partner when it comes to informing our people about our culture ɛno nti deɛ ntira ɛne mu da bia ɛne mu kɔ nakra na sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ amansan ho deɛ yɛ Center for National Culture National Commission on Culture.
Schools mako edu a owura Ebenezer Intin ebobo so say omo ena eba besi akwan ewo eye Studra Fest 2026 no emu eye Agri Memorial AME Zion Senior High School sanso ena Ogwa Senior High Technical School ena Ghana National College Infantipim School enso eka ho Wesley Girls Senior High School ene Holy Child Senior High School ena Edinaman Senior High School Adisadel College, St. Augustine's College, and University Practice Senior High School. Way any schools edua e 150 months ma mo ba be si akan e wo eye Studra Fest 2026 no emu. Na director e kasa no o kan se Studra Fest 2026 e maybe nanka ejina ne nan so pa nanso enfie kakra abesin kono e call from kakra a sese no CNC e na adwen se e omusan so aba be pejamu ebiem. Jumadi na sonso no opanyimpa a odini juma ewo Department of Theatre and Film Studies ewo UCC eye Professor Victor Yanka ensonso eche nadwen na okase nani so na ho nani jipa se CNC etimi abomode na omusanso de sa Studra Fest jumadi ode aba oche mu se ebeboa esanse Ghana ha no ye hwenkofo aye from se dramatic writers kofo mutimi ekunche drama egu nkrata so a omuso kra omododo no enno so nti ebeboa mianya bebre ewo Ghana ha se sanso ene ye theater na se ye film industry na nkasa eye sini industry no wo Ghana ha se nzo be sanso aboa ema ye sanso etimi epajamu biem ni nyina ejina eye dramatic writing eso na nsema okaka ho so eni
Studra Fest Student Drama Festival that was initiated several years ago, I remember, and they used to hold it here in Central Region. It is a Central Region initiative, but I'm just excited that it is being brought back now. They are reviving it, and because the reason being that, seriously, dramatic writing in this country is bad. People don't write plays. Elsewhere, drama is very vibrant, but here, no. So once they're bringing it back, I am very excited about it. One of the initiators of this Studra Fest was a lecturer in our department. He was our very first formally appointed lecturer to teach, Mr. John Elolo Gabin of late blessed memory. May his soul rest in peace. So he was the one who initiated it when he was here, working here at the Center for National Culture. I think he was a deputy director or something like that. So the department has always been involved right from the onset of the program, the whole festival. And I used to come here, I used to be a judge. And then just like today, they used to draw lecturers from our department to come and give workshops and then help the students in the writing, the acting and everything. So the department has been involved right from the word go. You know, the film space is problematic in this country, but it can all start with the drama, because acting, script writing and all of those things, if our students get into that, that will help them, of course, move into the film genre. In my department, I teach script writing, playwriting generally, and I teach basics of writing, and then the second year I move into screenwriting as well, and then screen and then radio, for them to know what happens in those other genres. And then in the third year I move into writing series and so on. So this is the basis. That's why the department is producing these students. But if we have festivals like this for them to showcase what they have, of course, that would also advance their career to help them also and it will help the film industry in general because we are writing scripts. For instance, as I stand here, I have a script, a very nice script that people have seen and say, oh, it's very nice. Can we put it on? I said, fine. But production becomes another problem. We can write a very nice script. We can write a beautiful script. They're very exciting scripts. But if the country doesn't put in or the filmmakers out there don't source for funding to do them, they remain on the shelves. Okay, because in other jurisdictions, for instance, in Nigeria, industry helps with the arts. A lot of filmmaking is being sponsored by industry, and they don't lose, and that is helping rake in a lot of foreign exchange for their country. What are we doing? We're not helping the film industry. If they would come in, we now have oil in Ghana. Oil, just as I said during the my workshop session, there is somebody won a playwriting contest in Nigeria, and he got $100,000. He could make a film out of it. Well, in our standards, yes, he can. By our standards, he can make it. He can do whatever he wants to. So if the industry were, and it was sponsored by an oil company, so why can't we do something like that here? And government create the enabling environment for industry to assist in filmmaking, in promotion of drama, and everything. No, it's not the case. We are thinking more about, let's think about how to do this, how to do that, music and all those things, dance, and then this other one, Ghana's most beautiful, those things. They are the only ones that we have. But this is where it all starts. Take the arts seriously. Invest in the arts. Invest in our youth who are coming up and who are interested in pursuing the arts, and the country will benefit from it.
Launch no aseno and so capacity building workshop be so equal so I just say additional for any achache for question mo nyina no it's Mrs. Bibi a script writing a dramatic structures, acting and stagecrafts, costume, and the way makeup, ni props are there, ni na ASN be theater, and also say drama na film studies, so eso ewo hono. Na ora David Chapman Quason, and so ebo modern sa workshop be edema addition for ebeshemu ewo ho. Ono also and the acting head of the performing and literary Arts Department CNC. Coastal TV ene no kasa no na ye bisa ne se na studio first esi ababak no eni so ade hunu ben na omowo ema sa festival yi one day show ana so se ye kwaye nim no nyema bebre eba beka ho.
David Chapman Quason, I'm the acting head of performing and literary arts for CNC Cape Coast. So studio office check but the executive director of Accra, the vision is that we'll revive it again because CCN theater in Ghana has gone down a bit. So this is our chance to revive it by using the second cycle schools to, revive it. And CCN also, funding was a problem, but we've devised certain strategies that we may try to reach other big men in the society for them to also come on board and help us. And I believe, the matter student affairs will go a long way.
Asamtitra eda Studio Fest 2026 jumedie ni nyina asono inspiring creativity, promoting culture and shaping tomorrow's theater stars. Nti eno ene ensembia ekwoso ewo Studio Fest 2026 launching ekwoso enano efiede yi ne ekwoso ena Coastal TV de mu amanebo ede abremo yenjina so na yemfas dama yaboafo NPA Diesel Gift Shop the Taste Kitchen Services, Nesto Ventures, and the Patmo Print. So maso ya semi etimi ede ewia donko kase bono na yede abro. Mame fasa danso emma mitim eye Ben ene Omar bin Abdallah. Me aso amidi kase bo ho chia me no midin eye AFIBA ESSIEN. Nyame adom na sa de papa bi chie ye wonkwa wa hoden a echina ye besanso ehia. Momba bye.